Here we have regular size Ford Transit, which we built as a service van. The key idea was to save as much trunk space as possible, but at the same time we wanted to have electricity, compressed air and high pressure water on board. You can have efficient washing equipment mounted in your regular size van. The unit has two hose reels, one for the pipe cleaning and one for the washing gun. It includes HPW 250 hydraulic high-pressure water pump, which produces 12.5 kilowatts of washing power, which is a lot from this small water pump. There are two water tanks with total capacity of 120 liters. You can easily add more water capacity if needed. However, one of the advantages of high-pressure water is lower water consumption, so you don't need to have big tank truck.
Home to the mountaineers.
As you can see, hydraulic equipment saves a lot of trunk space, and you can have powerful equipment on board wherever you go. If you would like to know more about the equipment, leave your question to a comment section or check the links in the description. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll meet you with another video. Have a great day!